Today, we're going to be talking about the Helsworn Valkyrie and if it's going to rise or it's going to keep on dropping. And I actually think that it's going to drop all the way down to 0 Robux. Now, before I get a lot of hate comments, I want to explain why I have this prediction. Okay, I'm kidding. I don't think it's going to drop to 0, but I don't think that this Valkyrie can recover. A few reasons why, and I'm going to explain right now. First of all, you can compare this to another limited that actually came out, and I'm going to be comparing it to Snowflake Eye. Now, you might be asking, what do these have to do with each other? This is a face accessory and that's a hat accessory. What are you talking about? Well, both items have experienced hype in their lifetimes. Helsworn Valkyrie was very hyped up. If you went to Royamons in the lounge chat, it was just talking about every 3 minutes. And then when Snowflake Eyes came out, it was also very hyped. Now over like a few period, it fell down, but what it did was that it rose back up. It kind of saturated for a little bit and then it just started just pumping and going off. But after this pump, it fell back down and it has never been the same way since. And I honestly believe that this Valkyrie is going to experience the same thing. First of all, I just don't believe that it's the best looking item. It doesn't even look like a, natural Valkyrie. It doesn't have the back headband. It just looks like a UGC accessory. Like if y'all told me that these were the same item, I would believe. And this is the same thing with the Tentacles Junior. It rose up, fell back down, it got hyped up, and then it fell, and then it just never did it the same way since. And if you were to tell me that this item wasn't hyped up, then I knew you would be lying to me. Another reason why I don't think that this is going to recover is because of the cop. Problem is that every copy is literally owned by a trader, with there being 10,000 available copies. 8,000 of these are from premium copies, and also it's 26% hoarded. It could take one hoard dump just to mess this whole item up. I honestly just don't believe in the success because it's just way too hoarded. There's like 8,000 premium copies, and I feel like this can just rattle the item in the future. It came out for around 12,000 Robux, and that gave a lot of opportunity for a lot of people. So right now, I just don't think it's the right time to invest in this Valkyrie. I think that if it just had more time, it could be a better item, but for right now, I think it's just completely cooked. You can hype an item, but if you hype it up too much, then you're gonna cook. And honestly, I think that's what's happening with this Valkyrie. Its overpays are good for now, but it's honestly just unstable, and it actually dropped just today. I don't even think that it's going to be able to reach like 50,000 in the future. I can honestly see it being another Black Valk Shades where it's around 38,000, but honestly anything near like Tiggs Valk or Valkyrie, no way. I think it fits in this category with these 3 items, and honestly you can debate me with it, but that's just what I believe. That's my minute rant about the Helsworn Valkyrie. If you disagree, please leave it in the comments. I'm out.